Hey guys, welcome back to another cashgoldoffers.com video. We have another selection of a customer that has shipped in their stuff today. Today's all about sterling silver. So let's get right into it. So with our unboxing video, I had a customer send me this nice little bag here, as you can see, with a goodie sticking out already. Okay, this bag actually contains mostly all silver. It's actually all silver. So let's go ahead and open it up, weigh it, and figure out the calculations and to see how much the offer is going to be. So the first thing we have is this right here. This is a sterling choker necklace. So we have 11.5 grams here on this particular piece right here. Keep in mind that it's also going to have what we would call, we have some little wire in here. So even though it's 11.5 grams, we're going to round down to 11 grams because some of the wire is not sterling silver. Now on this piece alone, 11 grams, the actual valuation of the gross melt value is about $5. Okay, so this whole piece is $5. So what we're going to be able to offer, because we do keep in mind that we do have to make a small profit and we also have to incorporate for insurance and taxes, it's $5. So we're going to offer 50% of that. This will fetch $2.50. That will be our offer on this piece here. So moving right along, guys, we're going to go ahead and look at this bad boy right here. This is looks like a friendship sterling silver bracelet. Very simple piece. Piece of silver. The chain is also silver as well, and the lock of the chain is also silver. So we're going to see the weight value of this one. Here is going to be roughly 8 grams, 8.5 grams on that one. So what we're going to do at that point is we're going to be offering a little bit on this one as well, of about $1.40 for this one. So that adds up as well. And then we're going to be looking at our next piece here. This is a little locket. This, of course, is a piece of string. And then this locket right here is actually sterling. So we're going to get a weight check on this sterling. It's about 6 grams on this one right here of sterling silver. So this heart locket alone is going to fetch only about $1. Okay, guys. So far this offer isn't going to break the bank until we get to this little charm right here. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, guys. This offer wasn't looking very good until we found this little charm right in the bag there. So this is sterling silver, and what this is this is a light blue trillion cut sapphire. It's about 4.8 millimeters. Okay, it is not this is a naturally occurring stone. It's a real stone. It's a small stone, but it's a real stone. Okay, and we know this because we can actually notice, I don't know if you can see it here, but it actually has it's not exactly straight. We've actually had it evaluated by a separate appraiser to me, and so we know that this is a real blue sapphire. Now the issue is how much do you sell a sapphire for? Stones don't quite sell in the same way that melting metal does. We actually have to source a buyer for this stone. And so because we would have to source this, it also takes a little bit more time, energy, and effort. Now I believe that this stone at retail would be about $70 onto the value of a piece. And I think that our offer legitimately would be about $55 for this stone. So in this package that you saw today, all these little items here, I'm going to put them up here so you can see today. We're going to go ahead and add that together. We have an offer today of $59 for this. Now keep in mind you have to subtract $12 for shipping and handling. So this is going to be $47.10 just for this little bit of jewelry that our customer didn't want. So that will be our offer today, is $47.10. Awesome, guys. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. They're all about sterling silver. I hope you have a great day. And if you have any jewelry, have any questions, or you want an appraisal, please check out our awesome website, cashgoldoffers.com. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.